Es el squeaking de tus zapatos, lo que le pones así.
Rosie.
That's it. I guess she's done. She doesn't want to play anymore.
No.
Rosie.
Es el squeaking de tus zapatos. There you go.
No, she's not doing it anymore.
Este está loco por bajar. Mira.
Now she doesn't want to play anymore with you. Look at that little nutshell go.
Es el squeaking de tus zapatos lo que le pones.
Come here, Rosie. Come here, Rosie. Who's your good girl? Yeah, who's your good girl? Go get him. Go get him, Rosie. Go get him. Go get him, Rosie. Go get him. Go get him. Look at that little nub go. Oh my God, it's so funny. Look at that.
Wanna play? Wanna play? Wanna play?
There she goes.
Let's play.
Hopping like a bunny.
You got it? Let's play. Come on. Come on. Come here, Rosie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come.
5 days ago, she was not doing any of this. Not even yesterday. All of a sudden today, she's coming out of her shell, playing with toys and playing with my brother, who, this vicious dog, is a foot from my brother's face and has not once tried to attack him. See that? She thinks you're playing with her. Get him! Get him!
Come on. Come on, Rosie.
Come on, Rosie.
Rosie, come on.
Come on. Come here. She comes on command.